Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to do class 2nd math chapter 1 exercise 1.7. Okay, in this exercise we are going to do fill in the blanks with greater than, equal to or less than. So look at here are some exercise which we are going to do. Okay, now look at here, this is 936 and this is 639. Which one is greater and which one is less? So this is greater than, so that's why we put here greater than. Okay, now look at here, 365 and 369. So this one is less than, so we put less than symbol here. Okay, now look at here, 105 109. So this one is less than, that's why we put here less than symbols. Okay, now next, 542 and 542, so both are equal to, that's why we put here equal to. Okay, 853 and 869, this one is less than, that's why we put here less than symbol. 132 331, so this one is less than, we put here less than symbol. Okay, now look at here, 839 938, so this one is less than, that's why we put it here less than symbol. 698 212, so this one is greater than, we put it already here greater than symbol. Okay, 786 859, so this one is less than, we put it here less than symbol. 534 543, this one is less than, this is also less than symbol. Okay, 817 815, this is greater than, that's why this is greater than symbol. Okay, we put it. 993 990, so this one is greater than, that's why here is greater than symbol. Okay, 734 724, this one is greater than, that's why we put it here greater than symbol. 200 and 215, which one is greater and which one is less than? So this one is less than. Okay, that's why here less than symbol. Okay, 398 721, so this one is less than, that's why this is less than symbol. 45 and 452, so this one is less than, that's why we put it here less than symbol. 252 254, so this one is less than, we put it here less than symbol. 489 and 481, so this one is greater than, that's why we put here greater than symbol. 481 720, this one is less than, so that's why here is symbol of less than. Okay, 97 and 907, so this one is less than, so that's why we put it here less than symbols. 926 398, we put it here less, greater than symbol. Okay, so this is greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, now next exercise, color the box with largest number and the box with the smallest number blue. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमें we now look at here are some digits and we are going to solve these. Okay, so this one is greater than. Okay, this one is largest, we circle it. 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 Okay, so this one, these all are greater number, that's why we circle it with red color. Okay, now look at here, this one is largest, that's why we color it with large pen, red color. Okay, this one is largest, we colored it, we circle it with red pen. Okay, this one is largest and this one is largest and this one is large. Now smallest number. Okay, 29 is smallest. Okay, in this 219 is smallest, in this 687 is smallest, in this 169 is smallest, in this 149 is smallest. Okay, now look at here, in this box 701 is smallest, in this 600 is smallest, in this 241 is smallest, in this 167 is smallest, in this 402 is smallest. Okay, now next, circle the smallest number. Now look at here, which one is smallest? 42 is smallest, that's why we circle it. Okay, which one is 740 is smallest? Okay, so this one. In this 382 is smallest, In this 766 is smallest. In this 29 is smallest. In this 220 is smallest number. Okay. Now circle the largest number. Now which one is largest? 450 is largest. In this box 681 is largest. In this box 932 is largest. In this box 621 is largest. In this box 987 is largest. In this box 943 is largest. Okay. Now next, now this exercise. Okay, ordering of number. So what is ordering of number? So when first ascending order. Okay, when number are written from the smallest to largest. Okay, from the smallest to largest, they are in ascending order. Okay, so what is that? Ascending order. For example, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. So this is called ascending order. Okay, and what is descending order? So this is descending order when numbers are written from the largest to smallest. Okay, largest to smallest, they are in descending order. Like for example 150, 140, 130, 120, 110. So this is called descending order. Now look at here. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Look at here. Which one is? This is okay. Now this is 360. 369, 396, 398, 399. So this is ascending order. Okay. Now in this 820, 849, 870, 888, 896. Okay. In this box 930, 973, 983, 995, 998. In this box 167, 236, 401, 721, 830. In this box 448, 700, 758, 760, 777. So these all are in ascending order. Okay. Now look at here. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Now we are going to do this. Okay. Look at here. Which one is descending order from this? Okay. 799, 751, 750, 720, 715. In this box 914, 387, 325, 246, 215. In this box 293, 270, 266, 261, 216. In this box 605, 431, 387, 380, 215. In this box 303, 807, 800, 708, 705 and 700. Okay, so this is ascending order and this is descending order. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe this channel. Okay.